with their nails done now.
All right, let's move on to what we call the flirt lines. And people kind of laugh about this sometimes. What this actually means is how well you interact with other people. You want to see some little lines coming off of that heart line. And you've got some little lines that come off there. It means that you do interact well with people. And that kind of ties in with your fate line here too. You have kind of a combination of fate line that comes up here. You're kind of a private person, but then you've kind of in your 20s turned into a little bit of a social person. So you have a combination. What that means with these little tassels on these flirt lines is that you do interact well with people, but at the end of the day, after having to deal with people, you like to kind of close yourself off, decompress.